Hello doodlers. Take your sticky note and fold it in half. Now fold it in half again like a hot dog. Unfold your sticky note. Fold it in half the opposite direction. Fold it like a hot dog bun again. Unfold it and flatten it out. Grab your marker or pencil and make a small circle in the upper left corner. Continue to make circles at the top where there is a fold and in the corner. Now do the same thing for the next row. Dots on the third row. The fourth row in the bottom. Go to the top left corner dot and start at the top right side of the dot. Curve the line to the dot below ending on the left top of the dot on the second line. Continue this for all the dots on the sticky note. Top of the dot in the upper left corner. Make a curve line to the bottom of the dot on the right. Continue to do this for all the dots and lines. Wow, you are done. Excellent work.